Hello and welcome to Drishti's To The Point. Today's topic is Adaptation Gap Report. Let us first know why it is in news. Recently, the United Nations Environment Programme or UNEP Adaptation Gap Report 2021 reported that there is an urgent need to step up climate adaptation finance. It is the 6th edition of UNEP Adaptation Gap Report, the Gathering Storm, which finds that the growth in climate impacts is far outpacing our efforts to adapt to them. Moving on to adaptation cost. The report found that the costs of adaptation are likely in the higher end of an estimated $140 to $300 billion per year by 2030 and $280 to $500 billion per year by 2050 for developing countries only. Adaptation cost includes cost of planning, preparing for, facilitating, and implementing adaptation measures. The ever-increasing adaptation cost has also outpaced the growth in adaptation finance, and that is the reason for a maintained adaptation finance gap. Adaptation finance, it refers to the flow of funds to developing countries to help them tide over the damages caused by weather events from climate change. Adaptation finance gap, it is the difference between adaptation cost and adaptation finance. Let us know what is the key message of the report. New evidence suggests that 1.5 degrees centigrade aspirational target of the Paris Agreement will likely be missed, while some climate impacts are already irreversible, highlighting the urgent need to adapt. There is an urgent need to step up climate adaptation finance. However, the finance needed to implement adaptation plans is still far short of where it should be. COVID-19 recovery stimulus packages present a window of opportunity for green and resilient recoveries, but these opportunities are not currently being realized. On the positive side, despite the COVID-19 pandemic, climate change adaptation is increasingly being embedded in policy and planning across the world. Overall, though, the report finds that further ambition is needed to progress in national level adaptation planning, finance, and implementation worldwide. Now let us know something about United Nations Environment Programme. The UNEP is a leading global environmental authority established on 5th June 1972. Let us know something about its function. It sets the global environmental agenda, promotes the sustainable development within United Nations system, and serves as an authoritative advocate for global environment protection. Major reports released by it are Emissions Gap Report, Global Environment Outlook, Frontiers, Invest into Healthy Planet. Major campaigns by it are Beat Pollution, UN 75, World Environment Day, and Wild for Life. Its headquarters are at Nairobi in Kenya. Now let us have a look at the question based on the information discussed earlier. The question is, consider the following statements. 1. Adaptation cost refers to the flow of funds to developing countries to help them tide over the damages caused by weather events from climate change. 2. The 6th edition of UNEP Adaptation Gap Report is titled Gathering the Storms. Which of these above statements are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, D. neither 1 nor 2. Give your answer in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more episodes. Dear viewers, to watch this episode in Hindi, visit our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.